Hi everyone, I'm Mateo, and welcome to my channel. What if I told you that the biggest opportunity to build wealth in 2026 isn't luck? It's the decisions you make every day. Most people spend their lives chasing money, but never learn how to actually build wealth. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful ways to become wealthier in 2026. Make sure you stay until the end, because the 5th one is the most important and could completely change your future. Let's get started. The first way is to create multiple sources of income. Depending on only one paycheck is becoming riskier every year. Even a small side hustle can make a huge difference over time. Next, learn high-income skills. Skills like AI, programming, digital marketing, video editing, sales, and copywriting can dramatically increase your earning potential because companies are always looking for people with valuable skills. Next, stop wasting money on things that lose value and start investing instead. Even small, consistent investments can grow over time. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. It's to make your money work for you. And finally, invest in yourself. This is the most valuable investment you'll ever make. Learn new skills, read books, take courses, improve your communication, and build your knowledge. Markets can crash, and money can come and go, but the skills you develop stay with you forever. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities and income you'll create. Remember, wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by making smart decisions consistently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and I'll see you in the next video.